Hey everyone, today we have an amazing video in store for you guys and a very special guest, my plant-based daughter May.
Hey guys!
And we are showing you my favorite 5 raw vegan salad dressings. These are all easy to make and absolutely incredible. They use real ingredients because we want to get away from all that crap out there. We want to start eating more real food. That was what was intended for our body. And on a raw vegan lifestyle or any lifestyle, great salad dressings are key. So we whipped up this beautiful salad and let's get into it. So the first one is my herbed green goddess. It is my absolute favorite dressing of all time. And just in honor of this video, I just launched my 30 dressing, sauces, and dips ebook. It's amazing. It's part of the plant-based bundle now, where you get over 110 ebooks, courses, and guides from your favorite creators for only 50 bucks. It's worth almost $4,000. So many recipes, meal plans, fitness, you name it. Everybody loves it. Such good value. So grab that today. It's only on for this week. I'll put it down below. And the first one is the herbed green goddess. So in this one, we do ½ a cup of soaked cashews. And then we're gonna do a ¼ cup of fresh basil, you guys. So good. Everybody loves this dressing. A ¼ cup of fresh parsley, ¼ cup of fresh filtered water. Always use the best quality water, you guys, and the best quality foods for your body. Treat your body with self-respect by eating well. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, and then we're gonna use some sea salt and some pepper. Sorry, go ahead, put some pepper too, that'd be great. Thanks, babe. So here we go, our herbed green goddess. You guys have to try this, my absolute favorite. It is so good. Look at that. Perfection. So good. No need to buy stuff from the store that has a bunch of crap in it. Makes you feel like crap. So this salad dressing goes well with any salad at all. And this salad dressing stores for up to 4 days with an airtight container in the fridge. Next up, we have a spicy mango lime. Beautiful color, beautiful taste. So in this, we're going to put ½ a mango, obviously peeled. We are going to use a tablespoon of cold pressed olive oil, ½ a jalapeno pepper with the seeds removed, the juice of 1 lime, and a ¼ cup of water will go in this as well, and some sea salt. You can do the salt too after, and some sea salt. The mango, lime, jalapeno together, so delicious, you guys. That's good, baby. I love it. Okay, let's get it blending. Boom. All right, here we go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. These salad dressings are just freaking incredible, you guys. Okay, and this mango dressing will store in the fridge for up to 2 days, you guys. So it's a different time for all of these. And if you guys want to know, before I forget, there's something also huge going on this week. The Nama blender and juicer in one. I make everything in this. Sauces, dips, smoothies, sorbets, dressings. They're having a huge sale. You can save $120 on one right now. They've never done this ever. I will put the code down below, GILLIANBF. So if the sale is over, I still have an $80 off code for you guys that I can put down below, and the link as well. And so let's get into the third dressing, number 3, sun-dried tomato and herb dressing. This one is to die for, or should I say to live for. So we're gonna use ½ a cup of sun-dried tomatoes in this recipe. We're gonna use a ¼ cup of fresh parsley. Let's get as many fresh herbs in these dressings as we can. They make them so delicious. And we're gonna do, this one is a ¼ cup of fresh basil in this one, 2 tablespoons of fresh cold pressed olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, and we're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper. And this one will store in the fridge for up to 4 days, and it's just such a nice flavor with the sun-dried tomatoes. Do you wanna put the lid on, babe? Here we go. So a nice Italian vibe dressing. Number 4 is a lemon basil salad dressing. So in this, we're gonna start with a ¼ cup of fresh cold pressed olive oil. We're gonna do a ¼ cup of fresh basil, a ¼ cup of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, and some salt and pepper. And you guys, if you want like an abundance of raw food recipes, I also decided to include my course in that plant-based bundle I was talking to you guys about. It's valued at $197, so you get that, my ebook, and everybody else's ebooks. So go grab that today if it's still on when you're watching this. Number 5, we have a tahini garlic dressing. So easy to make, you don't even need a blender. This lifestyle is so easy, you guys get eating more raw food. So we're gonna do a ¼ cup of raw tahini. I'm gonna make a little bit extra for this one right here, but for the right recipe, use a ¼ cup of raw tahini. Use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we'll squeeze in about 2 lemons right here.
1 clove of garlic minced.
You're a pro. And some sea salt and pepper. We're gonna whisk this until smooth, and then you can add extra water if you need to reach your desired consistency. So here, you whisk away. I'll remove this back here. And this one will store for up to 4 days in the fridge, you guys. These are great. Comment down below which one you're most excited to try, and comment down below your favorite salad dressing. So here we are. This dressing is delicious. I'm probably going to enjoy this one tonight. So here we have my top 5. These are all beautiful, delicious, offer so many nutrients for your body. So try these out today. I love you guys. I'll put all the links down below for the stuff I mentioned, the bundle, the blender. Grab those things, get healthier, get eating more plants, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.